There is a silent killer in your project right now. It isn't a budget shortfall, and it isn't a technical bug. It's sitting right in front of you, hidden in your spreadsheet. Major percent of projects fail. Why? Because we treat stakeholders like data points instead of humans. When your key players feel managed rather than involved, they don't just stop helping, they start resisting. And that is when the real risk begins. But there is a way to see the disaster before it strikes. It starts with real-time sentiment tracking and a shift from broadcasting to deep, strategic collaboration. In 2026, transparency isn't just a soft skill. It's your only survival tool for complex project leadership. The question is, do you know who is actually on your side? Comment a line below, and I'll send you the framework I use to turn project resistance into total alignment. Let's stop the failure before it happens.